In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Slack workspace. If you need to revoke someone's access quickly, Slack makes that possible through the admin controls. Removing a member will deactivate their account right away, block their access to channels and workspace data, and help keep your organization secure. Just keep in mind that this is an administrative action, so you'll need to be a workspace owner or administrator, and you'll need to do it from Slack on desktop or through a web browser. To begin, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your workspace in your browser. Once you're inside the workspace, look to the top left corner of the sidebar and click your workspace name. This opens the main drop-down menu where the administrative options are stored. From that menu, move to the section labeled Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. When the secondary menu appears, click Manage Members. This will take you into the member management area, usually opening a dedicated admin page in your browser. This is where you can view and manage everyone who currently has access to the workspace. Now find the person you want to remove. You can scroll through the member list manually, or if your workspace is larger, use the search bar to look them up by name or email address. Once you locate the correct profile, click on their row to view their management options more clearly. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right person, since deactivation immediately removes their access. Next, look to the right side of that member's row and click the 3-dot actions icon. This opens a control menu for that specific account. From the list, choose Deactivate Account. Slack will then display a confirmation window to make sure you want to proceed. In that confirmation prompt, read the message carefully. If Slack gives you the option to clear active login sessions, make sure that box is checked if you want their access terminated immediately across devices. Then click the red Deactivate button or confirm deactivation, depending on the version you see. That final click applies the change. Once completed, the account is deactivated right away. The member's profile image will typically change to a blank gray placeholder, and their name will update to deactivated member. Their past messages and shared files will still remain in your channels, which is useful for preserving conversation history and project context. Slack will also stop charging for that active seat starting with the next billing cycle. That's the full process for removing a member from a Slack workspace. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.